There are a number of tools that will speed up the creation of PowerPoint slides from within Excel. The following functions will copy Excel information into PowerPoint based on the following. 1. If PowerPoint is not open, these functions will open PowerPoint and add a slide. 2. If PowerPoint is open, these functions will insert a slide after the last slide of the last presentation opened. Range as picture to PowerPoint, fit height. Copies the selected range, and pastes it as a picture into a new slide. It is resized if its height is greater than the slide height. Range as picture to PowerPoint, fit width. Copies the selected range, and pastes it as a picture into a new slide. It is resized if its width is greater than the slide width. Range as picture to PowerPoint, fit slide. Copies the selected range, and pastes it as a picture into a new slide. It is resized if required based on its height or width, whichever fits best. Embed selection on slide. Copies the selected range, and embeds it as an Excel file into a new slide. It is resized if required, based on its height or width, whichever fits best. The embedded information is not linked to the original workbook. Chart as picture to PowerPoint, fit slide. Copies the selected chart, and pastes it as a picture into a new slide. It is resized if required, based on its height or width, whichever fits best. Embed chart on slide. Copies the selected chart, and embeds it as an Excel file into a new slide. It is resized if required, based on its height or width, whichever fits best. The embedded information is not linked to the original workbook. Selected range insert table. Creates a slide with a table populated from the selected range. It does not fit the table to the slide. This can be rather slow if the range is large. The following demonstrates some of these functions. Under the Problem Tracking Chart submenu, there are a number of tools that will support the creation of PowerPoint slides, based on information located in rows in Excel. Problem Tracking Charts creates a slide from the current row of an EnP Tools formatted problem tracking sheet. The worksheet must be created by the Forms utility, Add Problem Tracking Sheet, or prepared using the PPT sheet for PowerPoint function. The basic layout of the PowerPoint slide will not change, however, the titles and content in the source worksheet can be modified. A single image can be transferred, but its location on the slide is fixed. There are two functions related to how images are handled. Create a problem tracking chart, transfers the image only. Create a problem tracking chart with image annotation, transfers the contents of the cell, any image, callout, shape, etc., as a single image. If no images are required, the identified picture cell can be used for additional text. The following is a demonstration of some of these functions. The next function provides additional flexibility, since it allows you to utilize a template that you yourself create in PowerPoint. Create a problem tracking chart from template. Creates a slide from the current row of the EnP Tools formatted sheet. It uses a previously created slide template named Custom EnP PTC, stored in the Documents folder. Note: the Excel sheet must be prepared using the formatting tool, Prep PTC sheet for PowerPoint. Also, the properly prepared PowerPoint slide template must be available in the Documents folder. The template file can be created using the EnP Tools PowerPoint utility, Convert to PTC Template. Since the template is already formatted, the actual process of creating a slide from Excel is quicker. The following is a demonstration of using a slide template. There are two ways to prepare an Excel worksheet to work with the PowerPoint problem tracking chart functions. The first is to use the function, Prep PTC Sheet for PowerPoint. This allows you to select the columns to be exported to a PowerPoint slide. It opens a form to map specific column cells to the slide. This allows any worksheet to be used as a source. The mapped cells are set up as named ranges, allowing the text to be modified and the columns rearranged, while keeping the PowerPoint output the same. You can map up to 16 columns for a standardized 2-slide presentation. The second method to prepare a worksheet for PowerPoint is to use the Prep PTC Sheet for PowerPoint template function. This will allow you to select up to 16 columns to be exported to a slide utilizing the previously user-created custom template, located in the Documents folder. Remember that the template can be created using the Convert to PTC template function, found in EnP tools for PowerPoint. Though this method potentially provides the greatest flexibility, it is limited to creating single-slide presentations.